Want to know how to break line of sight abuse in Paladins? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you and explain you how you can do it easily. So I'm going to give you some few tips on how it works and how you can easily break line of sight. So let's get straight to it. Now, if enemies are hard focusing on you, stop panicking and start breaking line of sight. Duck behind walls, strip behind payloads, jump off ledges, or cut angles fast. Even half a second of lost vision resets the aim and cancels damage drop. Do this mid-flight and you force reloads, waste cooldowns and bad enemy positioning. So with that, you're not just surviving, but you are draining the resources for free. Abuse this every fight and you should be able to win every single time. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily break line of sight in Paladins. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you on the next one.